Hello and welcome to my second video of the day. This is a Quailridge 39FLML. This is one of Quailridge's more popular floor plans. It's a double loft. It's got the split loft, 5-foot rear loft, 4-foot front loft. It's tan with tan window package, tan windows and doors. MSRP on this booger is just $61,683, so it's not my most expensive trailer, but it is one of my coolest. This decor package is actually called Sand Dune. I don't know why they call it Sand Dune. Maybe it looks like a sand dune. Got stainless appliances. Nice big open front room, ceiling fan, trapezoid window, sleeper sofa, and table and lamp, rocker recliner. You got the beautiful flooring, looks like ceramic tile, but it's actually PVC flooring, stainless faucet, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, fireplace, hutch, puck light, storage under the seat there. You can definitely probably fit 5 or 6 at the table because of the bench seating, and there's storage under the bench. All the shelving in the cabinets, lots of it is adjustable. They all have shelving in it. Stainless appliance means it has a convection microwave. This particular unit has all frigid air. More of the adjustable shelving. I'll show you the standard bathroom with the shower in it. Looks like you can see pretty good in this one. It's got a nice big linen closet here. It's got a shower with the head pan, so it gives you pretty close to 7-foot clearance. Exhaust fan, corner vanity, medicine cabinet. Of course, you got your house toilet, 56,000 BTU furnace, house type rear entry door. This is the master bedroom. You've got the 8 drawers and the 4 doors. His and hers wardrobe, lit closet, lights in all the closets, queen bed. Heading upstairs, you'll see we have a tall loft and a regular loft. You step down into the master bedroom, so that gives you the 5-foot ceiling back here in the rear. This one has the optional bigger entertainment center in it, so you can put your Nintendo or whatever it is kids play these days up here. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner that helps keep it nice and cool up here. It's not needed because we use a gigantic monster air conditioner anyway, but nonetheless, we got an extra one in this particular unit. Looking out the front here, you can see it's a nice big open floor plan with plenty of space. The only carpet is in the loft, the stairs, and the master bedroom. Once you get into the main living area, you have the PVC flooring. In this case, it's the ceramic tile style. So heading on through here, head back out to the main section. There's your backsplash. Nice big sink. Nice and open. I love this floor plan. I could definitely live in this floor plan. No problem. Well, let's move on to the next one. Several features common to most of them. Have the always everything in them stays in them. You always have the rocker recliner, sleeper sofa, 20-gallon electric hot water heater, self-closing hinges on the cabinet doors, Choice of white, stainless, or black appliances. 56,000 BTU furnace in this one. And the fireplaces are actually 15,000 BTU. Anyhow, one last thing I can show you. You've probably seen it before if you watch my videos. There's storage under the seats. So this, all the 3 chairs flip up and have storage underneath. Well, I think it's time to go look at another trailer. Thanks for looking. Kelly Hicks signing off for now.